In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace, a task you can accomplish in just 5 minutes. Whether accidental deletions have happened in your organization, or you find yourself having to restore a key user account, this guide is here to help you navigate the process with ease. Let's start by accessing Google Workspace. You'll need to open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace homepage. Once there, your next step is to head over to the admin console. It's an essential hub for managing your organization's Google Workspace accounts, offering a wide array of tools for user and service management. Now click on the admin console link. If you're prompted to log in, make sure to use your business email. This ensures you're accessing the right administrative rights for your organization. Keep in mind that proper credentials are vital for security and administrative control, so take care with handling this information. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Google Apps menu, often represented by a grid of small squares or dots. Clicking on this will reveal a range of Google services available to your account. From this menu, locate and click on the admin icon. This will bring you into the heart of the admin panel where all user management features are housed. Once you're in the admin section, look for the directory, a crucial part of managing users within your Google Workspace. Here is where you can access detailed options related to user accounts and organizational structure. Click on directory and then proceed to select users. This will take you to a list of user accounts associated with your organization. Now gaze over to the options available and find the More Options link. Clicking this will expand your administrative toolkit further. Among these additional choices, select Recently Deleted Users. This area logs the user accounts that have been deleted, allowing you to track user status over time. In this Recently Deleted Users section, you'll have the opportunity to recover any deleted accounts. Carefully browse the list, identify the user account you wish to restore, and follow the prompts to recover it. Timing is important here. Deleted accounts are often only recoverable within a limited window, so act swiftly to ensure no loss of data or functionality. With these steps, you should successfully recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace. Ensure you're operating within your organization's policies and have the necessary permissions. Thanks for following along, and I hope this empowers you to manage your Google Workspace with confidence and clarity.